Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling a common tech problem that many of us have faced at some point. The issue at hand involves iCloud file syncing, specifically on a Sonoma 14.5 M1 Mini 2020, where the process has been unbearably slow for the past 3 days. Our user has tried various troubleshooting steps like disabling sync from system preferences and multiple restarts, but to no avail. Digging into the console, countless errors about a slow SQL statement pop up, causing frustration and delay in getting files synced properly. Now onto the solution. The key lies in the Fileproviderd SQLite database located at Library Application, Support Fileproviderd * database. This database holds crucial information for iCloud file syncing, and within the database folder, you'll find files named DB, DBSHM, and DBWAL. We need to take a two-step approach to fix the issue. Firstly, delete the DBSHM and DBWAL files. Then force quit Fileproviderd to allow it to restart and recreate the cache files. This step alone could potentially improve the syncing speed. If the problem persists, proceed to the next step. For the second step, disable iCloud Drive and any third-party cloud file sync services if applicable. Delete the DB file, restart Fileproviderd, and then re-enable iCloud Drive. This action triggers the database to be rebuilt from scratch, hopefully resolving the slow syncing issue once and for all. To wrap it up, we've covered the steps to address a sluggish iCloud file syncing problem caused by a slow SQL statement. By following these steps, you should be on your way to smoother file syncing in no time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time,